Okay, hello guys. So today we have a Fender Richie Sambora in need of some love. In this case, we have a Pro setup together with fret leveling on the higher side of the fretboard. So what I suggested was to actually add a fallaway at the end of the fretboard. Reason being, some of the notes there are not ringing out clearly, lack of sustain, and of course when I check with the fret rocker is actually rocking, which means that the frets are not level. Other than that, electronics, change the ports. So speed ports for the volume, and the other two ports are CTS. Other than that, electronics wise, the button switch was off, in terms of it's dirty and it's not staying in put. So I had to dismantle the thing and clean up and reinstall again. It was fun doing this guitar, so enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Hey, if you have old guitars or new guitars or basses that you want to get it checked out, you can WhatsApp me on 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye. Okay, selamat pagi tuan. Kita sudah siap. I clean as much as possible already. Lepas tu sini ada fallaway on the 12th fret onwards. I make it a bit of a fallaway, a bit flatter, so you can hear a bit of the notes. Other than that, the neck, because you mentioned the other time dengan action actually dah okay, only on this side actually bring down a bit. So on the bottom side I turn down one round, so technically it's a bit lower, but if let's say you don't get the enough sustain, then you can bring up maybe half step up to clear the notes. Lepas tu apa lagi ya? The notes dah clear. This region the notes are clear. I will check with the fret rocker, it's actually flat, flat with a fallaway lah. So it's pretty clear now. intonation a bit better. Sorry, it's a bit loud. So yeah, I think I know what you mean by the note doesn't ring out. The sustain is a bit lesser. But personally, I think it's because of the bridge. Bridge ni kalau naikkan lagi sikit lagi, dia boleh dapat a bit more sustain, but it's already quite tight around here. So rasa tadi macam terlepas lah main. Yeah, tapi kita dah okay, dah siap. Let me know when you want to pick up. Another thing is that your switch, this button switch, I don't know whether it's original to this guitar, but dekat bawah dia punya tape tu, double side tape dia terkeluar. So I have to, and the button is stuck, so I took out the thing, then I clean out the button, and lepas tu letak balik dengan tape lah. So yeah, switch pun dah bersihkan, output jack pun dah bersihkan. Kita is good to go. See you soon. Bye.